भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे लिडरशिप आणि सरकार आज उघड्यार पडलेले आसा, विवस्त्र जाल्ले आसा. कारण जेन्ना लोकांनी पिक्चरान किंवा फोटोन गुळाचो गणपती पळयलो तेन्ना लोकांच्या मनान सुद्धा विचार आयलो, हे मुद्दामून तर करीत ना न्ही. बरें, मानाधीक मुख्यमंत्र्यान एक आपल्या तोंडान एक ब्र उच्चारूंक ना IPBच्या मिटिंगेन किंवा कॅबिनेट मिटिंगेन. आणि हे सांगपी थंय हजर आसलेले काही मंत्रीगण आणि आमदारांनीच आमकां ही इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली की तोंडानसून त्याच्या ब्र येवंक ना. फ्रांसीस डिसोजाचे पोर्टफोलिओ कित्याक काडले, आमचो बाब मडकईकराचे पोर्टफोलिओ कित्याक काडले. ह्या दोगांची कंडिशन मनोहर बाबाच्या कंडिशनापेक्षा कैक पटीन बरी आसा. आय हॅव डिमांडेड दॅट वी हॅव नॉट सीन हिम एट ऑल. आयदर यू शो or you conduct. So now they are not going to conduct any Shraddh, but it is as good as conducting Shraddh while he is living, because he cannot speak it, he cannot see. There was no discussion. Some of the MLAs and the ministers present there said that there was not even an utterance of a word, an alphabet, that he looked like a statue. And some of the statues I have seen in Kokero and other things, it looks like those statues. There doesn't seem to be, it's lifeless statues. All those meetings that have taken place even after the decisions have been implemented will be nulled and declared illegal. We don't know whether he is physically or mentally capable of handling a cabinet meeting or an IPB meeting